Namaste to all the wonderful and beautiful viewers watching my video right now. This is me, Dolly, your friend, your host, and I am here again in front of you with another beautiful, exciting candle making session. And in today's session, I'll try to solve the problems related with candle making which you all have asked to me. So stay with me till the end of this video. And since there are lots and lots of questions, so let's directly head on to the question answer session without wasting a bit of the time. Guys, let's move on to the another question and let's see who is asking this beautiful question to me. So this is from PK. Hi PK, I love your candle making videos so much. Thank you so much PK for liking my candle making videos. I request you to show how to make metallic candles like gold, silver and copper. Wow, this is really a very beautiful question, and I'm also thinking to make some metallic candles, and definitely in my upcoming videos you will see how to make metallic candles. As whenever I tried gold color chips out, please show a video on that. Thank you. Okay PK, I wanted to make a request to you that as you said that whenever you try to make gold color chips out, so what kind of pigment you are using in your metallic candle, please let me know, because it is very important so that I can help you out in a much better way. Okay, so and definitely whatever problem you are facing, I'm going to share in my upcoming videos, and I would like to request you to please share the photographs of the candles which you have created, like the problematic one which you have mentioned here, so that I can see the picture and can answer you in a much better way. And but for sure in my upcoming videos there will be a video on how to make metallic candles. So this is a good news for all those people who wants to create beautiful metallic candles. Thank you so much PK for asking me. Okay guys, so let's move on to the another question, and this question is from Divya Maria Joy. Hi Divya, I'm from Kerala. I just wanted to know about the carved candles. Wow, I have tried all the rest and everything went well. I couldn't get the desired effect on carved one. I have tried a few but it's not working. Hope you have a solution. Definitely Divya, I'm having a solution of your problem. But prior, I want to see the photographs of the candles which you have created, the carved ones, so that I can help you out in a more better way. And I have also created a video on how to make carved candles and what are the additives required to make beautiful carved candles. So please go for that, look for that, and I think it will definitely solve your problem. The link is just up there, just click it and watch the video. And thanks for posting this question Divya. Stay connected with me, and the link of my Instagram account and Facebook account is just below in the description box. So please click that and share the photographs of your carved candle with me. And guys, let's move on to the another question. So let's see who is this beautiful person. So okay, so Janesh is saying hi. Hi Janesh, I am a candle maker from Kerala. Wow, that's great. Usually I make plain candles with paraffin wax. Okay, I need to get more whiteness and glossiness to my candles. Can you give me any suggestion? Please reply me. Definitely I'm going to reply your question Janesh. And as you asked me that how to get more whiteness, so definitely you have to use pigment for that. Use white pigment for your candle, otherwise you will not get that white effect. So if you find a white pigment for your candle, then it is okay. Otherwise you can use good quality crayon wax pencils also to add the white pigment to it. And as you asked me that how to get more glossiness, so to make a more glossy candle, you have to do two things. First, you have to use a demold spray like this. I'm showing you onto the screen that this is a silicone spray. So just spray it into your mold, and then you have to keep an eye on the temperature of the pouring melted wax. Like you are making candles with paraffin wax, so the pouring temperature of the paraffin wax is 80 degrees centigrade. 80 degrees centigrade. When you pour at this temperature, definitely your candle comes out very clean, shiny, glossy, and using pigments definitely you will get more white looking candle. So I hope Janesh that you got the answer what you have asked me. So let's move on to the another question. Team 1 Kolkata. Wow, what a name. So Team 1 Kolkata saying me, hi Team 1 Kolkata. I'm in love with carving candle. Okay, you are in love with carving candle. I want to know exact quantity of wax mixing, please. Okay, so Team 1 Kolkata, there is a video on my channel in which I have shown how to make carving candles and what are the additives and what are the mixes required to make beautiful carving candles. So please go for that and take the advantage of that video and create beautiful candle, and I hope that you will definitely share the beautiful pictures of your beautiful creations in the given link below in the description box. So don't forget to post your candle pictures. And guys, let's move on to the other question. So let's see who is asking what question to me. Okay, so this is Isha Kumari. Hi Isha, and she is asking me that from where you got the polycarbonate molds. Are these designs are for sale or just DIY at home? Okay Isha, so as you asked me that from where I buy my polycarbonated molds, so I purchase mostly from amazon.in, and if I don't find it there, I buy my polycarbonated molds from amazon.com. And as you asked me that these designs are for sale or for just DIY at home, so my dear Isha, other than making tutorials for YouTube, I also sell my candles. So whenever I make tutorials on any candle, I make a unit of these candles for selling also. So all my creations are for selling and for giving tutorials to the beautiful viewers who all watches my videos. So I hope Isha that this is what you wanted to ask me, and you got the answer. So keep watching my videos, stay connected with me Isha, and thank you for posting this beautiful question. And it's time to move on to the other question. So this question is from Swati Kadam. Hi Swati, I'm from Mumbai and I'm interested in making cupcake candles. Wow, but with the soy wax which I use, the frosting appears dry and uneven. Which soy wax and what technique should I use to get smooth frosting? Well Swati, this happens many times, but if you want to create a more smoother look, then I request you to go for paraffin wax instead of using soy wax for frosting. And you can use good quality soy wax, like you can use good quality paraffin wax, like you can use fully refined paraffin wax for making frostings and or whipped cream for your cupcake candle. And if you are asking me regarding any technique to make a good smooth frosting, so the technique is only just whisking. Whisk it. If you get tired whisking with your hand, then just use electric blender or a beater to do it, and there is no other technique than doing this. Also, which is the best place to buy empty polycarbonate transparent tea light holders? Thank you. So I'll tell you about mine polycarbonated tea light cups. So I purchased those tea light cups from amazon.com. If you want to purchase it from there, you can purchase it there. It is quite difficult to find these things in India, but there is always a hope, like you can just search in your local area or candle making material suppliers, and you can find all these things. Ask them to if they can arrange it for you. Otherwise amazon.com is a good option to buy it from there. So I hope Swati that you got the answers of your question, and thank you so much for posting this beautiful question to me.